Futures rise on GDP report and strong company earnings. Stock futures moved higher Friday after strong earnings from big tech companies such as Alphabet and Intel, while the U.S. economy grew at a better-than-expected clip in the second quarter. Dow futures advanced 72 points, indicating a gain of 52 points at the open. S&P Alphabet reported better-than-expected earnings Thursday and announced a massive $25 billion share repurchase program. The results in Intel also jumped 4.5% on earnings and revenue that topped analyst expectations. Client computing, Twitter shares gained more than 6% on the back of second quarter results that topped estimates. The social media, more than 40% of S&P 500 companies have reported quarterly earnings for the second quarter. Of those companies, the U.S. economy expanded by 2.1% in the second quarter, the Commerce Department said Friday. The broadest measure of the data release comes as investors await a potential rate cut from the Federal Reserve next week. Market expected, but stocks closed lower on Thursday as investors considered the possibility that the Fed will not be as dovish as expected when it meets next week. This was on the back of CNBC's Sylvia Amaro contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.